Okay, I've taken it to a stage now. I've still got further polishing to do on this model, but I thought I'd quickly show you how we're going to check the topology. So this is topological masking for changing the character's shape, etc. So what I want to check is how the arms are going to deform when they're brought down, how the legs are going to deform, and maybe how the body midsection is going to bend. So I'm going to go back and use topological masking to do it, and I'm going to turn off X symmetry in this case, and I'm just going to grab my rotate tool, and I'm going to grab from the end, and I'm just going to hit the masking key as I drag, which will then bring me across to the shoulder section. I'm going to check my model, make sure that it's all okay. That's good. Now I just want to paint a little bit in here as well, but just going to swap that over, pressing the shift key and clicking outside of the canvas. And now I'm going to place, so I could come in here now and begin draw masking certain areas in, but it doesn't look too bad, and this is a base test, so who cares. So okay, the arm would be bending from about there, let's say. Let's drag that out. I check the top position. I really want to make sure you can move this by not clicking the middle but clicking the outside edge, and then moving this to where the middle of the hand would be. I come down there and check the position now. That's about right. And now I can drag the end and just bend it down. I don't care that it's going into the model too much. I just want to look at how it looks. You can always use the move tool. Do make sure that you're in the side elevations. So he's actually not that bad. It wouldn't take a lot to clean that up. I'm kind of quite happy if I compare it to my illustration. The way that's coming down is pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, obviously in animation setting all the painted weights will be on there and taking control of that, but I'm looking at this muscle down here and how it's looking. Maybe take a little bit of the underneath away, or push it up in that area to make it a bit better. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Z, come out of it, and then I'm going to do the same for maybe the leg. So I'm just going to click anywhere off and drag some topological masking down to the kneecap area. That's not bad. It's pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to put the draw line in there. Check him against the leg there. Come back in my side view, and I'm just going to click in the middle circle here. Oh, I've got the move on. Need to turn it on to rotate. Just begin to rotate it up. He's alright. It's mainly due to the fact my position's out this side. There you go. Yeah, that's not bad. That rotation's not bad at all. Okay, so that is basically it. Just wanted to show you how you can use the topological masking to just check that your model's going to deform in the right places. So I need to jog this up a little bit here. I'm probably going to pull a little bit in at the kneecap there, and I'm probably going to take a little bit in at the hips because I can already see what's going to happen there. I'm going to bring this in a bit, and I'm going to arch this back a bit more because it's starting to just go straight up, which I don't like the look of. So I'm going to use the move tool just to move a few things around. I'm going to double check my topological masking and move a few of the components until I'm happy with it, and then I'm going to carry on and do my polishing as per what we did earlier with all this area. You will notice also that I've brought the face, using the move tool, I've brought the face forward slightly, and I've also given him more of a chin. I've just brought that section down. I've also reinforced the jaw area, and where this kind of round socket's going to be, I've just put that in there as a kind of placeholder. I've redefined the pectorals because I wasn't happy with them, and I've also softened the abdominal muscles there because they were too pronounced even for a games model. So okay, I'll see you in the next lesson where this will be finished to its polished stage, where we will just insert 2 spheres for the eyes and then output render it out, and also do a turntable of it to send to our art director for final sign off before we put in all the other bits of detail.